someone on the radio. The choice of half stars, now the one true love and author of my life among kids' good shows. This is not the way. In the street like dawn, in the street like dawn, this beat goes on. And then there's another section that's just a. And there's the outro, and that's just B. This voice left among electrical line. All right, so we'll learn all those. It starts on C sharp. You can play it as a power chord, or you can play it as the A shape up on the 6th fret, or you play it as a full bar chord. And the rhythm is like it's got a little shuffle. Hitting like the 1, 3, 1, 3. Then it goes to A, E, stays on E for 2 measures. F sharp, major. Back to C sharp. That repeats. So, and then it goes. So that part where they do the refrain of the beat goes on, the street light dawn, that is B. So we have C sharp, B at the 2nd fret, F sharp at the 2nd fret. Then back to the 4th fret. Then the 2nd time around, it goes. You can play. Yeah, I guess they're playing that as a major. So that's the 2nd time around. It goes. Starts on C sharp. Goes to G sharp, which is right on the 4th fret, right above the C sharp. Then it goes to B. Then it goes to back to C sharp. So all together, that refrain is. In the street like dawn. In the street like dawn. This beat turns on. And then there's a little interlude. C sharp, B, C sharp, E flat. That's at the 6th. You notice all these chord shapes are on the 2, the 4, and the 6, except for the A and E, which are open chords. ending, which is the outro, B is boy's life underneath an artificial line. Is boy's life under electrical lights. B-A-E. Okay, that's how you play it. You could tune your guitar down half a step, and that would give you, less bar chords and stuff. But this is how I see them playing it on the video when they play it live. All right, thanks. Bye.